Beli ka ng Senator Bam Aquino ing aral ning kasaysayan ning papalapita 40th anniversary ning EDSA People Power Revolution at dinikdik na niti na ing laban para king tune pa magbayu manatili ang meto nga unfinished revolution. Agpang kang Aquino kano dapat ituring nga nagumpeng revolusyon ning EDSA inyang 1986 no meto nga umpisa na pa talaga mapupupos. Lakwas na king pisabyan ning korupsyon at tune reforma. Agpang kaya ing tutuking generasyon ning ating sikanan at perspektibang kailangan bangarapan ing magbayong lupa ning lumang problema.
A lot of the things na pinaglaban hindi pa natin nakamit. So rather than thinking of it as a failed revolution, I'll think about it as an unfinished revolution. Hindi pa siya tapos at kailangan pa siyang tapusin, di ba? And maybe it's the kids who grew up during that time, like many of us, tayo siguro yung tatapos. Baka yung mga magulang natin, hanggang dito lang talaga kaya nila Diba? They just were able to start it out. Pero yung magtatapos nito, maybe it's really that next generation.
Dinikdik ning senador ing maulagang papel dareng kayanakan at media aking tagumpening people power. Genaka na niti ing Radyo Bandido, amig silbing boses dareng memalen, inyang patahimikan ning Radio Veritas. Kilub ning 24 hanggang 48 hours, meging critical ing operasyon ning underground radio station bang iparatang ing impormasyon king publiko.
They were controlling media. Siyempre, wala ka ng source of information. Yung 24 to 48 hours na yon that Radyo Bandido was up was so crucial. Now, yung interesting thing dyan was, yung nagpatakbo ng radio station was Father Reuter's theater group. Including people like Gabe Mercado and his brother Paulo Mercado.
Oh, Gabe, yeah.
Yeah. So they were, I think, 11 and 12. So mga teenagers, yung nagpapatakbo ng radio station. With June Keithley as the anchor.
Libutad ng historical revisionism at pamaglaganap ng digital misinformation. Sinabi ng Aquino na mas lakwas maulaga ing papel ng media at ing pamagkwento bang apanatiling katutuan at isunduing laban para kinabukasan ng bansa. Dinikdik ng senador na ing sentro ng people power yamo politika. Nune pamisasan metong dareng memalen.
Yung mga personalities, diba? FVR was there. Gringo, Senator Gringo became my colleague. JP also became my colleague later on. They were all there, pero having witnessed it, pangalawa lang sila dun sa tao during those days of people power.
Bilang parte ng pamagganaka, ganapan niya king February 21 ing People Power 40 sa QC Kickoff Concert, awit at aksyon kontra korupsyon. Aganapan king Quezon Memorial Circle. Asahan na mikabiyaya liwang aktibidad king Visayas at Mindanao bilang parte ng 40th anniversary ning EDSA People Power Revolution. Agpang kang Aquino, ing diwa ning EDSA manatili ang mabye ating laban dareng memalen para king reforma ating laban king korupsyon isunduya ang king kasalukuyan. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga. Balita ang tutuking balen, susuyo.